My name is Rice and today I'm going to teach you how to doodle with a bunch of tips and tricks. Things I use in my doodles are a sketchbook, Copics, other markers, fine liners, and of course, a pencil. When you do your sketch of your doodle, you can draw anything you want, from cartoons, creatures, people, items. Just make sure to keep everything simple and really smooth. Also remember, don't be afraid to erase anything you don't like. If you're just starting to doodle, make sure to start out with basic shapes and add on to them. You can draw glows, clouds, skateboards, and anything else you want in your doodle. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. These two things help me a lot. A little tip for doodling or any type of art in general: make sure to have a piece of paper under your hand just to not smudge the drawing when you're outlining. When you're outlining, make sure to always have sexy lines. Sexy lines are basically just thicker lines and they add depth to your drawing for shading, and it looks absolutely amazing.
Hey, why y'all playing these games, yeah? Why you like playing these games, whoa? Why you still playing these games, yeah? Why you keep playing these games, yeah? I'm just rolling up dope, whoa. I'ma get lost in the smoke, yeah. You getting stuck in my mind, hey. Please just don't waste on my time, damn. Why y'all playing these games, yeah? Why you like playing these games, whoa? Why you still playing these games, yeah? Why you keep...
The most important part of your doodle is coloring. Make sure to shade in your doodles with 3 shades of the same color to have clean transitions.
You say you not attached, you don't want that. Why you tryna act cool? Tryna take it slow, I don't think you know. I can see right through. Said I like it when we talk, made the time start. Hey, it don't mean a lot.
If you're coloring in the same kind of sketchbook like me or any sketchbook, make sure to put some kind of paper under it so the marker doesn't bleed onto another page. Every doodle has a color scheme. I recommend choosing at least 3 to 4 colors. Here's some doodles I've done in the past for an example. When you're coloring your doodle, make sure to have smooth transitions. You can transition between different colors, for example yellow, green, or blue and purple. Just make sure they're similar so you have smoother transitions.
Hey, I can't even tell what's real, yeah. I just want you to come chill, hey. Yeah, I thought that was the deal, hey. Why y'all playing these games, yeah? Why you like playing these games, whoa? Why you still playing these games, yeah? Why you keep playing these games, yeah? I'm just rolling up dope, whoa. I'ma get lost in the smoke, yeah. You getting stuck in my mind, hey. Please just don't waste on my time, damn. Why
the doodle looks absolutely amazing. Skirt, skirt.
You've been acting strange, things ain't been the same. Haven't hit you up, so there's no one else to blame. I've been on the grind all the time, I'm sure you know how that goes. You know you're still mine, I put you before these hoes. Strange, things ain't been the same. Haven't hit you up, so there's no one else to blame. I've been on the grind all the time, I'm sure you know how that goes. You know you're still mine, I put you before these hoes. I hit her with that hospitality.
This is the last part of the doodle. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
She liked me way back when my songs had like 100 views. Damn, look at me now, I'm on. Living like this, I'm on. They know the words of my songs. I feel like the damn. I know you've been salty, I can hear it in your tone. Is it cause I haven't hit you up on the phone? Hit me on that Snapchat, but I never hit reply. Tell me, is that why?